Look at this. This woman seems to be from Japan, who is a truck driver. She recently bought a new truck because her old truck broke down. Then this woman starts driving her truck. I am surprised to think that despite being a woman, she is driving the truck with so much confidence, and her driving skills are next level. Only the girls of Japan can say such big things, because the government there gives every woman complete freedom to do her work. And you will not believe that the girls of Japan can be so talented. Yes, before leaving, a like and a subscribe is a must for this woman.